Okay, that's the reason why videos have been few and far between. New unit. I should be able to get quite a few vehicles in here and work on them once all this lot's gone. Plan is office storage, whitewash all the walls out, paint the floor, go from there. Floor paint. All painted up and ready to go. A load of stuff here needs sorting out. I'm going to put a storeroom against the back wall here and a small office on the front. Maybe storage on the top. Going from 8 foot, so there should be room for storage on the top. A good amount of electrical points. I'm going to put LED lighting on the side and the back, maybe LED strips in the 6 foot strip lights there. So far the Alpha's here, that's for sale. The T5 camper van, that's almost done. I should have that done by the end of the week. Transit Custom 2016. That's coming in a few days. Vauxhall Corsa 1.4, 31,000 miles from new. History, that's coming in a few days. And I'm picking up a Mercedes Estate tomorrow, which I'm probably going to use for myself. So pretty much all systems go. Camper vans, modern classics, and hopefully some nice low mileage stuff. Bit of a difference. So it's all painted out, new unit, floor painted, LED lights will be in where the strips are now, and side LEDs, maybe 2 on the back, 2 on the side, therefore obviously going to be helping out whilst I'm building the camper vans. The office storeroom here in the corner, pretty much mainly storage, just a small office so I can keep it heated well in the winter. Maybe a few bit of storage on the top. Not too sure where to go with that. I might do something on top of these, not too sure. Yeah, that's the Alpha here, that's for sale. I've just done an oil change on that. That's running superb, cracking car. The 08 T5, that's almost ready as a camper van. A few days away with that. I've got a Vauxhall Corsa 1.4 2011 with only 31,000 miles on the clock coming in, and a Mercedes Estate. And what else is there? Oh, another Transit Custom 2016. That should be here this week at some point. There's plenty of parking outside, so all systems go. Just get all this lot put away and sorted, but at least it's here and not all over a driveway and a house and a garage.